Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, as you know, COVID has been a big part of our lives over the past year and a half. And a lot of things have changed, and we've been working from home. A lot of people have also suffered because of the pandemic, and our attitude towards many aspects of our lives have actually changed. In today's video, I'm going to talk about specifically money, how our attitude towards money has changed during this pandemic, and why this is critical. Because we are all investors, so we go out there and purchase assets, whether it's stocks or cryptos or real estate or bonds, whatever that is, and we use money to buy all those assets. And hence it is critical to try and figure out how the concept of money or the attitude towards money has changed because of COVID. And that's precisely what we are going to do in today's video. So before we jump in, my usual request: please like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, please smash that notification bell so that you know every time I upload a new video. Please comment on my videos so that I know what exactly you're looking at, and also share my videos with people who you think would benefit from my research, from my insights, and from my videos. So let's dive in. First, as you know, I have an ebook. This particular ebook talks about my journey as an entrepreneur. It starts from the time I quit my six-figure, or just before I quit my six-figure globetrotting corporate job back in 2010. It talks about the preparation that I took to becoming an entrepreneur, the challenges I faced, and how I overcame those challenges. This book also contains 3 worksheets. Those worksheets are meant to gauge your mindset before you actually jump into the entrepreneurial world. So you could score yourself based on the answers that you give in the worksheets, and then you would add up those scores using certain weighted averages, and you see in which category you fall. Whether you're likely to be a successful entrepreneur, or you need to work around a bit to get there, or you are probably not suited to becoming an entrepreneur. And the cool thing is, I have scored myself, so you would find my score. And you would also know how successful I am today as an entrepreneur, with two offices, 2 companies, one in Singapore, one in India, and representations in the US markets. The ebook is available for free, totally free to all of you. You will get it on my website. The URL is flashing on the screen. I'll put the URL in the description box below. Click on it, put down your name and email address on that page when you land, and the link to download the ebook will be emailed to your inbox. I hope you like the ebook. Please do give me your honest feedback. Now let's talk about money and the mindset, attitude towards money after COVID. First, what COVID changed our attitude towards money. So let's try and diagnose that. COVID-19 pandemic has impacted almost every element of our lives. People all over the world were forced to make changes, tough decisions, and refocus their lives plans, all because of the unprecedented times that we have all been living through for the past year and a half. Fortunately, some of these changes have been good for some of us. Some of us used this opportunity to really think about what we want out of our lives and what we are getting from it. Money, or making money, or using money, was a great part of that life before. People in the West especially had a YOLO, or you only live once attitude towards money. So that was the attitude. So you would never save. You would, whatever money you would earn, salaries, you would just blow that up through the month. While money is still important, and perhaps more important today, Those who earlier believed tomorrow is never promised, and if you want something today to make your life incredible, go ahead and do it, has now actually shifted gear. Instead, saying they want to save, uh, financial freedom has suddenly become very important, and so is seeing what it will take to retire early. Now, what it will take to retire early has always been there, but that the aspect of financial freedom also has been there, but the aspect of saving was not there, especially in the West. It was there in the Eastern countries, in Asia, but in the Western countries, in the US, North America, South America, or Europe, that was not there at all. So that has definitely changed. So let's try and talk about what really has changed now. So the first change has been attitude to or moving towards the minimalistic mindset. What is that? Because people were forced to live with a lot less physically, mentally, and emotionally, many people have come to realize that they do not need as much as they once thought they did to have a happy and full life. Very, very true. Because you were not meeting many people, you were restricted to your home, you were restricted to meeting your family members inside your house. So you were restricted physically, mentally, and emotionally. Many have now grown to prefer a minimalistic mindset than before. Although this attitude is not new in life per se, but the shift of this attitude towards money is certainly new. It was not there previously. The shift towards money. Instead of major vacations or expense or buying expensive cars, many people have decided to focus on paying off debt and saving for the future with funds previously dedicated towards the extras, which may not be required. Many have focused their monetary resources towards helping others, while they lead a less nazi life than before. Debt, which was common only a few months ago, is now best avoidable. All kinds of debt, which is in a way very, very good. The other thing that has also happened is savings. So savings now rule over spending. So the thrill of saving money has replaced the thrill of spending it as a result of the pandemic. For many months, with social opportunities at an all-time low, people were much more in tune with how much money they had actually been spending on going out. People have realized that money that is now saved builds up over time. If you are disciplined enough, to have a strong saving plan, then you know how addictive it can be to see your account grow, something that you previously watched dwindle or remain stagnant. So your money is growing in the bank account. Younger generations specifically are now reveling in the thought of saving for the future and building their financial resilience. That is very good news. The pandemic has given many an opportunity to build up emergency funds that they did not have previously, as well as better track their spending and create budgets that are more in line with their actual financial situation. So overall, I think this, to summarize, it's been really the attitude towards money has really improved after COVID or after this year and a half with the pandemic. And it's all going in a direction of looking for the future or providing for the future instead of just living for the present and not thinking about the future. There have been, so many cases where people have lost money, they have run out of money and the government or some social organization had to step in to help them out. Now, if you are going to save money and you are going to use money only on aspects in your life that really matter and not the extras, then obviously you are going to keep that money for the future. even if you're not there in the future, you will leave it behind for your family. So that overall, I think, is a great plus, positive that we've got from COVID. There've been a lot of negatives. A lot of people have suffered. A lot of people have passed away. A lot of people are still suffering. A lot of harm has happened to the economies of the world. But this aspect has been a very positive aspect for all of us individually who've been saving money for the future. So that's pretty much what I wanted to talk about in today's video, and why this is important, because then now you could go ahead and use that money to grow it further. So you could look at investing in aspects or in assets which are really going to grow. So I keep doing a lot of videos on that. If you are looking to investing in stock markets, then I've done a video on what are the elements that you should look at before you invest in the stock market so that your money grows. So I'll put that video linked on the card above. Go to take a look at it. And if you are interested in investing in cryptocurrencies, I also did a video on a 5-point charter that you need to look at before you invest in crypto. So I'll put that towards the end screen of this particular video. So go take a look at that as well. So, well, thank you very much, everybody, for listening to me. As you know, my name is Saurav Mukherjee. I'm a digital and technology marketing leader with 20 years of global experience. You will get to know more about my career on LinkedIn. I'll put the LinkedIn URL in the description box below. Click on it, and go ahead and connect with me. I typically accept most invitations. I work with companies, startups, and enterprises to find solutions to their business, marketing, technological, and investment challenges. If you're looking to engaging me as your consultant, you could drop me a line on LinkedIn, or you could write to me on the contact page of my website. I'll put the link to the contact page of my website in the description box below. Then we can jump into a conference call and see how we can work together. So finally, before I end, as usual, please like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, please smash the notification bell, please comment on my videos, and please share my videos with people who you think would benefit from my videos. So until next time, stay safe and stay healthy, and I shall see you soon. Bye-bye.